So hello everyone, this is Abhishek and I'll be representing Epsilon Naught classes right now on this particular video. So this is our YouTube channel and what we would be catering to and what would be the requirements that we would be going ahead and fulfilling. This is just a description about the same. So Epsilon Naught classes, this will be catering to the services or the subjects that requires or for the examinations that are NDA, that is National Defense Academy. We would be also helping the candidates who are currently preparing for combined defense services along with the OTA, that is Officers Training Academy, along with the CAPF examinations. And I myself basically cleared combined defense services way back in 2016 itself. Right now I'm preparing for my civil services examinations. Now, going further, as I stated, not everyone can afford, why this YouTube channel, as I stated, not everyone can afford this particular course, because the price outcome for this particular course that I quoted you is 80,000 to 1 lakh. Not everyone amongst the economical background can afford this. So my idea all over here, basically along with a few of my friends, our idea is to go ahead and help you guys to prepare for this examination without incurring much of the cost and in the most appropriate manner, because I did everything on my own. It was completely self-study, so it can be done. It's just few of the guidelines that I'll be giving and my colleagues will be giving you that would be helping you to go ahead and clear this particular examinations. So examination wise, what we will be focusing at is combined defense services, that is combined defense services, then National Defense Academy, OTA, that is Officers Training Academy. Along with that, we will be also focusing to CAPF examinations and NET. Now further, the materials we would be providing, is the study materials, that is the PDF materials. We can also go ahead and help you with. We can also help you with printout materials. Further, the most USP factor that we would be helping you with is our handwritten notes that not everyone can go ahead and help you with, but since, as I quoted, we do have our handwritten notes as well that will be there given on the link and the description above. Furthermore, we would be also going ahead and helping you with our question banks. And as I said, we will be conducting weekly analysis of all the chapters that we covered during the week, and this would be it. So yeah, so we will be going ahead and providing you with the notes. We would be providing you with essays as well, because essays nowadays, it is one of the most important part of your interviews as well. Or even if the CAPF exams, the guys who are preparing for CAPF exams, you get to write essays in the mains examinations. So you need to go ahead and write and prepare accordingly. Okay. So this is how it would be done. We would be focusing on notes as well. We would be focusing on class as well. We would be focusing on essays as well. And my colleague Akash sir will be guiding you guys with quants, and he will be helping you with the quants portion. In the next video, he will be going ahead and narrating you the same. So that would be it for now. So you can go ahead and help.